Yes. You saying that you are okay, your family member is not okay, you are not also okay. Because they will be disturbing you. So the rate at which the people are growing, if it continues in geometric form, while the resources available is growing in arithmetic form, it's going to lead to no standard of living. What are the preventive checks? Yeah? Yeah? Child quota. Those are the things that will help to reduce the rate at which the population will continue to grow. I hope you understand what you are doing.
The increase in population increased the demand of existing resources like land and water. Every year, the population increases, but the natural resources which serve to sustain population is finite. Developing countries with increasing populations put a strain on the local environment and restricted resources. These countries that struggle to achieve growing demands of food, fresh water, timber, and fuel alter the fragile environment. Developed countries use more natural resources than less developed countries because of their high standard of living. The population pressure in developed countries puts a heavier strain on global resources and the environment. Increasing population results in overexploitation of resources, which result in water scarcity, deforestation, desertification, food shortage, exhaustion of minerals, and pollution. Let us study.
Apart from the fact that the growth of the population was dramatically increasing, the rate at which they were consuming the resources available to matters. Do you understand?
Some of the overexploited resources. In detail, in the last century, usage of water is twice the rate of population increase. In different sections of the world, demand of water exceeds supply. Along the Earth's surface, only 0.03% of the total water is available. The surface and groundwater are overexploited and polluted by rising population. The water is polluted by industries, and 95% of sewage is left into water in the developing countries. It is estimated by 2050, billions of people will be affected by water scarcity. India has 20% of the Earth's population, but only 4% of the Earth's water.
In 2050, it is estimated that billions of people will be affected by water scarcity. Not that the water are not available, but they are. The demand for water will be high, good, and the water that is available, that is fresh, that is supposed to be consumable, will not be enough. Because as now the people are about 8 billion people.
India has 20% of the Earth's population, but only 4% of the Earth's water. Food supply increases due to growth in population. Between 1950 and 1985, the rural population was nearly doubled in Asia and Africa, with a corresponding decline in land availability. Especially near urban areas, farming is declining due to changes in usage of land. People clear the forest for cultivation and overcome the shortage of land. In the world, 8% of natural forest is destroyed by human development activities like logging, clearing for agriculture, and grazing. Deforestation results in drought, soil erosion, flooding, and global warming. Desertification occurs in semi-arid lands and is impossible to reverse. Desertification affects a huge number of people living in 110 countries. Almost 35% of Earth is threatened by desertification. Minerals are being pulled down from greater depths as its requirement is increasing in the globe. Extraction of minerals leads to ground pollution and lower level of water. About 80% of Earth's commercial energy is obtained from non-renewable fossil fuel like coal, oil, and natural gas. Every 20 years since 1900, the world's usage of fossil fuel has nearly doubled. The availability of these resources has greatly declined. Land degradation occurs due to combination of human activities. Land, air, and water are highly populated. The land is affected by massive deforestation, soil erosion, and decline in soil fertility, extensive overlogging, and salinization in irrigated areas, unscientific mining, quarrying, road building, and waste disposal. As population increases, there is a need to find additional reserves of minerals and groundwater. This requires an analysis of the distribution and availability of natural resources. The development of space technology